Lord, bless me. Bless me in the hills and bless me in the valleys. Bless me today and bless me forever. Lord, bless me. When they rise up against me, bless me. When they storm against my gates, bless me. When they seek to do me harm, Lord, bless me. When I have nothing, Lord, bless me. When I have everything, Lord, bless me so I can bless others. When I move through the crowds of this world, Lord, bless me. When I move through the hidden rooms, Lord, bless me. Grant me favor to overcome. Grant me favor to rise. Grant me favor to move beyond the mediocre. Grant me favor through all things. Grant me favor with all men, grant me favor with every animal in your kingdom. Grant me supernatural favor and divine power. Grant me favor now and forever. Bless me in the here and now. Bless me throughout the years. Bless me beyond all doubt. Bless me far more than I could ever think, hope, or imagine. Lord, bless me. Amen.